everyone. As per your requirement, I had implemented the project. First data set, whatever you shared the data set on the same basis, these 5 classes which I used. And the next step will be pre-process by using the same Gaussian filtering I had used. Apart from that, for the future extraction, ResNet 152 and the same PSO optimization algorithm. And finally, we are using LeanNet with the improved layer train modules. So you can see over here for the pre-processing file. I given the dataset details and the output will be stored on pre-processed imaged. So this was the dataset which I used and it's stored in as an output the pre-processed image. So on that same basis I had implemented and it's stored. After pre-process we are doing future extraction which I already completed. First we are taking the dataset as input and it's stored as a pre-processed image. From the pre-processed image we are storing the output with the future. So here will be the future. The future data will be stored with the format of .pt format. After that, I am converting .pt format into two. I am giving those class folder into two, train NP and labeled NP. So from this only I am doing future selection. So after few selection, I had implemented using LeanNet. So on LeanNet, what you had informed on that basis, the layer has been changed and I give the pre-processed data as input. And I am using 15 epochs. For 15 epochs, nearly 99% of the accuracy. Gradually, the accuracy has been increased and the gradually loss also going to be decreased. So finally, for validation accuracy, nearly 99%. For training accuracy, for validation accuracy, I'm getting less only. And for training loss and validation loss, overall training accuracy, overall validation accuracy, and this was the confusion matrix which I'm getting as an output. On the data set and on the audio you had explained me about age based data, so that is not available. So based on the data set which I am taking, so for that this is the way the graph will be getting out. So furtherly if you need any changes or modification you can update me, so based on that I will implement further, I'm sure.